Hi, my name is Samuel Baines. If you're like me and you have roommates or younger siblings, you've probably had the problem before where they might get a little bit nosy and they want to go through your stuff. Well, not anymore. Introducing the Nerf Auto Turret.
There are several components that make this turret function. First, we have the IR receiver, which allows us to input values such as targeting distance and how much ammo is loaded. Next is the LCD screen, which displays the values we input, as well as the current measured distance. The servo actuates the trigger to fire a dart. Here in the front is an ultrasonic sensor that takes distance measurements for target identification and tracking. Based on those measurements, the stepper motor turns the whole turret to track the target and is controlled via a stepper motor driver here. The relay controls the motors that launch the dart, similar to a tennis ball launcher. Lastly, the Arduino coordinates everything and performs the calculations necessary to identify, track, and shoot any target that comes in range.
So the first thing the turret's going to do is ask us for the range. This is how far out something needs to be for it to be considered the target. Now the maximum range is about 2 meters, so for this demonstration we're going to set it to about 1 meter or 100 centimeters. You can see it's updated that value there, and it's now asking us for how much ammo is loaded. The magazine currently has 3 shots in it, so we'll go ahead and hit 3. And you can see the turret is now moving, and it is going to continue to pan back and forth until it finds a target to shoot at, which I'm going to demonstrate here. Like imagining, you can see it stops moving, and it gets out.
While it may not have been clear from the demonstration, the target tracking works by comparing the measured distance to the range that we input. If the distance is greater than our range, the turret will continue to pan back and forth. Once the distance is less than our range, the turret switches to tracking mode, rotating more if the target is closer to keep up with moving targets, and changing direction as needed to stay pointed at the target. To do this, it implements a hybrid proportional and two-position controller in its code.